Another noticeable change at this point is that I actually have 2 spots on my nose which are actually lightening. The difference you're seeing still with my forehead and right above my eyebrows is due to the fact that I had shaved my eyebrow earlier that day. But otherwise, I really do think that there is an evening to my skin tone happening at this point, and under my eyes are not seeming so dark anymore. So we're now at day 9, guys. Let me know in the comment section if you're noticing any obvious changes, and we'll compare that to what I have to say from my observations in day 10. Hey guys, so this is the end of day 10. So I just actually washed the turmeric and yogurt mask from my face, and I'm just going to show you what my results are now at the end of day 10. So in terms of my cheeks and my forehead, you can see that there is some amount of removal of the what I might say was sunburn from my face, but in terms of the deeper spots, they are actually still there. In comparing the results of the turmeric and aloe that I had previously done, I think I got better results as well in terms of the removal of my under eye, the under eye darkness. But I'm going to show you guys a comparison picture, then you can see what it is my face looks like on day 1 in comparison to what it looks like now on day 10. And I'll then give you some more updates as to what it looks like and what changes are obviously there. So stick around. So let me get into the pros and cons of using this face mask. So firstly, in comparison, I'll be comparing this to my usage with my aloe vera and turmeric mask. One thing for sure is that there is a case of skin bleaching that can be achieved if it is you use this on a continuous basis. That is one of the reasons I didn't use my aloe and turmeric longer. But in this case as well, even though it is a slower process with the turmeric and yogurt mixture, it still has that effect on your skin. A con to this mixture, I really wanted it to work on my under eyes as well. So if you noticed in the clips before, I would have paid close attention to applying it below my eyes. However, I'm not seeing much of a difference in terms of what it had done. But in the future, if I am to use this mixture again, I would definitely only apply it around my eyes to see what effect it would take in that case. So my overall review of the turmeric and the yogurt mix as a face mask would definitely be a 6 out of 10. Why I'm giving it a 6 out of 10 is that in terms of cleansing the face and adding moisture, that was a plus. Do I recommend it for removing high pigmentation and skin discoloration? Yes. But did it achieve what I intended it to achieve within the 10 days? No. And that's why I'm giving it a 6. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this mixture, and if you see where this can benefit you in your skincare routine, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And of course, guys, if you are here and you are not yet a part of the Naturally Told family, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So until next time, guys, continue to be your most authentic self, and of course, guys, continue to stay naturally. Bye.